So I just finished recording the advertisement for this channel to go on my main channel, I believe Sunday. So now I've got to take down this entire set and reorganize to get my Viper Tail video done. So let's set up the studio for a different video. So I believe I have this video all set up. This is the first behind the scenes you guys are seeing of an actual battle video. So this will be fun. So the setup I have here is very similar to my unboxing video. That I still have the boom arm with my microphone, the overhead camera, the light is there, the other light is here. I believe that is about adequate for this video. Then, I know I've gotten a lot of questions about my stadium here. And I'm pretty proud of the ingenuity that I've put into the stadium. So I just happened to find a ring light that fits perfectly under this stadium. So I have a ring light in the middle surrounding my logo, which I think is so sick. And then I wired LED lights all the way around my stadium, and they change colors. So I have the over pockets and extreme pockets all outlined in red, and then the entire stadium is blue. Matches my channel colors, you know. I think it looks pretty good. And that is about it. I kneel on this, I kneel on this so then I can see what I'm recording. So this is the perspective that you guys get, and this is the perspective that I get. So let's get into my Viper Tail video. These lights that I use are USB powered. I thought it was going to be a pretty cool thing. I tried to get some USB-A adapters there, and don't get cheap USB adapters, people, because they get really hot. I have a name brand Samsung one here, and there's no heat coming out of that. I just switched out this random one that I think I got from an AT&T product. It is cooking, and so is the USB port. So I switched it out for an Apple. So I have Apple versus Samsung blocks. Let's see which one does better. Yeah. But yeah, those are not good if you use generic USB ports. They get hot and they smell hot, and they could probably burn down your house if you're not careful. So name brand, once again, beats generic. I made the mistake of recording behind the scenes on my GoPro, and then I realized I need my GoPro for my slow-mo cam, but I should have another GoPro on the way. I got a replacement camera. My one broke, so they replaced it for a small fee. It was $100. I kind of wish I put that towards the brand new 12, but it is what it is. I just mainly need it for 4K 60 for different angles and everything. So it is what it is. But there was no time lapse or anything for this battle compilation video because my GoPro was busy elsewhere recording slow-mo. So took a little advantage, you know, prioritized the main channel. But I guess that is what I'm promoting here. So it is what it is. Better luck next time. Hopefully next week the GoPro will be here. That'll have 3 cameras with actual good quality. So more angles, more behind the scenes. I'm excited. That was one of the quickest battle sequences I've ever had. And that was 3 different Beyblades I battled. I normally spend double that time on just one Beyblade battle between 2 bays. So I got it all uploaded. It is currently 8:23. I made my business call. So I guess that's good, but we're going to get editing. I've got to edit this video for Viper Tail tomorrow, and then I've got to get my advertisement or announcement for the behind the scenes channel that you're watching right now done for Sunday. And I am actually ahead of the game right now. For once, I've always tried to double record, and this is the first time it's actually gone successful. So that is good. Leon Claw should be here tomorrow. I misread the date today. He'll be here Friday, so tomorrow is Friday. And Leon Claw videos next week. And the website will be done. I said earlier in the other video that it'd probably be out next month. No, it'll be out a lot sooner than that. So that means big things are coming your way. So stay tuned. I'm going to start editing this once I get off my call. It is 8:24 right now, and I'm editing for the rest of the night. Filming is done, and that took a lot less time than I was expecting, so good night all around. I am eyeballing this lineup between 3 audio sources.
Eventually. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
You don't get much better than that. That's the best feeling about editing, when I don't have to zoom in and mash these peaks. Look at how clean that is. Literally almost perfect. Let's go. Got my Viper Tail video done. I didn't really film much of it. It was just very tedious, and it was late at night. So I started this, imported the files at about 8:30, started again at about 10:30, and finished at about 1:32 a.m. So we got it done, uploaded. Now I just got to edit this behind the scenes footage, and we'll be good. Getting the behind the scenes for this video pieced together here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leon Claw videos will be out next week, along with most likely Season 2 of the Extreme Tournament. So we will start that next week. So big things coming next week. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. More behind the scenes on Monday, or actually Sunday, because the announcement is Sunday. So see you guys then. Take care. Peace.